Forever seems like a long time.
Ang tipan ng pag-aasawa ay tinakda at tinatag ng Diyos na siyang lumikha sa atin na lalaki at babae.
I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go.
Ang sino namang nagnanais na pumasok sa tipang ito ay dapat mag-isip na
Give me your
mabuti
blessings, sir.
nang may paggalang, kahinangnan at takot sa Diyos sapagkat ang pag-aasawa ay isang banal na tipan. Ito ay dapat igalang.
Let her take my heart and take my hand.
My dearest sweetheart, few years passed and now is the time we've been waiting for. I thank to the Lord that you're the one He gave me. From this day, I forward, I promise to love without condition, to honor you each and every day.
We stand.
Kaya't pinatuloy ni Yahweh ang tao samantalang nahihimbing. Kinuha niya ang isang tadyang nito at pinagilom ang laman sa tapat niya. Ang tadyang na ito ay ginawa niyang isang babae at inilapit sa lalaki. Sinabi ng lalaki, sa wakas, narito ang isang tulad ko, laman ng aking laman, buto ng aking buto. Babae ang siyang itatawag sa kanya, sapagkat ang lalaki nagmula siya. Ito ang dahilan kaya iniwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina upang sumama sa kanyang asawa, sapagkat sila'y nagiging isa.
So, take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my
I
hand.
promise to help shoulder challenges. Oh, there is nothing we cannot face, and we stand together. I promise to be your partner in all things. I promise to be the best wife and parent. I ask of you. Lastly, I promise to you perfect love and perfect trust, where one lifetime with you could never be enough.
As your husband, I am yours. Now I give you my heart, today and forever.
Too good to be true.
I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna spend my life with you. Too good to be true.
Wanna spend my life with you.
Wanna
Let's
spend my
go.
life with you.
Okay, palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, sige.
Hi, Mickey and Len. Congratulations on your wedding. I pray that God will always bless your marriage and have a good one through the years. See you in Japan.
結婚おめでとうございます。
See you.
Hey Christine and Michael, congratulations on your wedding. My advice to you is just be a strong chain that no one can break. Support each other, love each other, and make each other better than you respond each other. Alright? Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Auntie
And uncle.
and Uncle.
May you two never stop loving each other. And never stop showing your love to each other. Best wishes to both of you guys. And more blessings to come. Happy, happily love life together. Love you guys. We love you. from Las Vegas! Congratulations! Okay, Andrew.
Hi, Insan, Crossland. I wanted to send you this quick video message. I wanted to congratulate both you and your soon-to-be husband on your upcoming wedding. I want to wish you both the very best. I want to wish you both a very long and happy marriage life. Take care of each other, respect each other, enjoy each other's company, and make many great memories ahead. Sorry, Insan, I cannot be there to attend the wedding. Just know that we miss you guys and we love you guys there. And again, congratulations, Insan, on your upcoming wedding day. Hopefully you make it a very memorable, special day for you and your significant other. Take care, Insan, and God bless, and bye for now.
Hello, Michael and Christine. Today is the beginning of your journey as a lifetime of love, and I pray that the Lord bless your marriage and may your years together be filled with long-lasting love and happiness. I may not be there to greet you personally, but I want you both to know that we are one with you in this momentous occasion. Alam mo yan, Len, wala man kami sa tabi mo, wala man kami dyan ngayon, pero nandito pa rin kaming mga kaibigan mo. Hindi ko napabahin pa ang aking message. I wish you both a long life together as a couple, and best wishes and congratulations on your wedding day, Michael and Len. I miss you.
Congratulations, Michael and Pusa. Finally, you're tying the knot. Congratulations kasi dumating na yung pinaka-special na araw ng buhay ninyo. So, ngayong araw na to. Sorry kung wala ako ngayong araw ng kasal ninyo. Na-receive ko yung invitation kay Pusa. Actually, nanghinayang ako kasi nandito na ako sa London. Pero kung nasa Pinas ako, for sure hindi ko palalampasin ng kasal ninyo. Nandyan ako ngayon, nakikigulo. Ako po pala yung kababata ni Christine na kasakasama niya na umaakyat ng bundok tuwing nap time. Nanunood sa court kapag may basketball. Kasakasama niya tumutugtog sa iba't ibang panig ng bataan ng bata kami. Kaya sobrang nagagalak ako kasi binigyan niya ako ng importansya na mabigyan ako ng pagkakataon makabati ngayong araw ng kasal niyo. Michael at Pusa, gusto ko ihighlight tulad yung marriage life na tatahakin niyo sa isang roller coaster ride. Ibig sabihin, may mga pagkakataon talaga na punong-puno ng excitement yung ating marriage life kasi sobrang masaya tayo sa pagmamahal at kilig na nararamdaman natin. May mga pagkakataon din naman na itetest yung fear natin ng mga pagsubok na haharapin natin. May mga cases naman na nasa top tayo, na sobrang ligaya natin, sobrang chill lang, sobrang saya ng buhay mag-asawa. Pero meron din, syempre, pagkakataon na sobrang down na down tayo sa life natin, sa marriage life. Pero ano ba yung maganda sa roller coaster ride na to? Syempre, kasama natin yung pinili natin at itinadhanang katuwang natin para sa adventure na to. Hindi yun yung kasama mo lagi, hindi kanya bibitawan. Kayo yung dalawa, sabay kayo natatahak. Mapataas man yan, umikot man yan, taas o baba. You will go together. Yung mga bagay na gusto ko share sa inyo. Unang-una, lagi nyo iuunawaan yung sitwasyon ng bawat isa. Pangalawa, yung komunikasyon, kailangan hindi yan mawawala. Kasi hodang magmamaritesan lang kayo, magkukwentuhan sa mga pangyayari sa buhay nyo ngayong araw, yung mga small things, okay lang yun na pag-usapan. Basta hindi na matatapos yung araw na hindi kayo nag-uusap. Pangalawa, kung meron tayong mga nakikitang flaws, punan natin yun. Siyempre, mag-asawa tayo, kaya pagtulungan natin punan yung mga pagkukulang ng bawat isa. Yung pangatlo, sa palagay kong pinaka-importante sa lahat, lagi niyong ipagdadasal na paitingin at payabungin yung pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa. Lagi yun. Lagi niyong hingin yung guidance ni Lord na sana i-guide niya kayo lagi. Siya yung maging sentro ng marriage life ninyo. Sobrang saya ko kasi talaga ngayong araw. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Congratulations para sa inyong mas mahabang pagsasama. At God bless sa pamilyang bubuin ninyo. Ciao!
Hi, Mickey and Chrislyn. Congratulations on your wedding day. See you here soon.
Hi, Mickey and Len. Congratulations and best wishes to both of you.
Ay, best wishes.
God bless.
Ipit na ipit. Patabang-bang. O, ganun yung sanay mo. Patabang-bang. Yan. Saan yan? O, ba't doon? Tingnan mo nga, o, tingnan mo.
Congratulations, Len and Mickey.
Enjoy your special day.
Best wishes and see you soon here in Japan.
Tito Mickey, Tita Len, Teko, omedetou gozaimasu.
Omedetou gozaimasu.
Congratulations, Mickey and Len, on your wedding.
Best wishes, Mr. and Mrs. Saplala.
Mickey and Lenlen, congratulations sa inyong kasal. Sana maging maligaya kayo sa araw na ito. At sana kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa buhay ninyo bilang mag-asawa, isipin nyo lagi ang Panginoon na nandyan na para gumabay sa inyo. Yun lang at maligayang araw ng kasal sa inyong dalawa. Love you.
Hello, Len and Mickey. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hello, Lynn, Mickey. Congrats. Best wishes. We love you.
Congratulations, Tito Mickey and Tita Len.
Best wishes.
I love you.
Bye. To Mickey and Len, congratulations and happy wedding. Ngayon na magsisimula na kayo sa panibagong yugto ng buhay nyo. Dalangin namin kay Lord na bigyan kayo ng masaya, masagana at maayos na pamilya. Palagi niyong iisipin ang pagtitiwala, pagbibigayan, pasensya at pagmamahal sa bawat isa. Ang ating Panginoon Diyos na maging sentro ng inyong buhay. Bigyan niyo ng maraming apo sila ninong at ninang. Pasensya na at hindi kami nakadalo sa inyong kasal. Muli, congratulations, good luck and God bless.
Mickey and Len, congratulations and best wishes.
Hi Mickey and Len, congratulations on your wedding. I pray that you and your family would be filled with joy and happiness. May God be the center of your family, continually guide and bless you both. Best wishes and hope to see you soon.